Operating instructions for the Tommygate Cassette Liftgate. Once the cargo van doors are open, use the pendant control to activate and open the liftgate by double pressing the left arrow button on the bottom left of the control. Be sure to stand clear of the platform and all moving parts when using the lift. Once the liftgate has been opened, fold open the platform by raising up and out while holding the black strap. The automatic retention ramp will be activated once the platform is folded open. To lower the liftgate, hit the down arrow on the top right of the pendant control. Once the retention ramp activation bar hits the ground, the retention ramp will automatically transition to a taper. To raise the platform, press the up arrow and hold until the platform is bed level. The taper will automatically transition back into a retention ramp. Once the platform is level with the bed of the vehicle, manually fold open the aluminum bridge to load and unload cargo. When you are ready to store the liftgate, simply fold the aluminum bridge and the platform closed. The automatic retention ramp will transition into its stored position. To store the liftgate, press the arrow pointing right at the bottom right of the pendant control. Regardless of the position of the liftgate, if the platform and bridge are stowed, the liftgate will self-level and store automatically. Be sure to place the pendant control and the pendant control holder inside the van and close the van doors. In case the liftgate does not have power, you can manually raise the liftgate by inserting the manual handbar into the pump and motor box and move the bar up and down to raise the liftgate. If you need to lower the liftgate, simply turn the manual valve on the pump and motor box and lower the liftgate. Before operating any Tommygate hydraulic lift, be sure to thoroughly read the corresponding owner's manual. All Tommygate owner's manuals are available at tommygate.com. For more information, please call 1-800-LIFTGATE or visit tommygate.com.